data which is required, the data that is going to be combined in a different system, is default data. Customers have it in their ERP system. So it's really about having millions of transactions or 100,000 of suppliers. It's really about automation. So if I have all those information in place, how can I just speed up, get more velocity? Because you need the data today in order to be prepared for 2030. Otherwise, companies will face an existential threat. And so speed is really key. You need this information today to plan the next 8 or 10 years. Second thing is, let's take a supply chain into account. In manufacturing, it's quite complex. How do you want to collect data from suppliers? So we have seen customers who get LCA reports via email. And it's a PDF report. It's not digitalized. You don't know what to do with it. It needs to be modeled. And I think we all agree that collecting product carbon footprints from suppliers via email for the entire supply chain portfolio is something that could be automated in a more sufficient way. And the last thing is, since we believe that CO2 is the most strategic KPI in the next century, you have to integrate it and take it into account when you make, let's say, multi-dimensional decisions. So let's take procurement into account. You have maybe costs, you have risk, you have CO2, and you have maybe other ESG criteria in order to make a holistic decision. And that's why CO2, let's say, as a currency, if you want to think about it, is something that can be easily integrated into your daily business flows, and is then an additional criteria that gives you more intelligence about your supply chain or your own products.